In the following video, we'll be making yogurt fruit toast. It's a great sweet treat for breakfast. Crack 1 egg into a bowl, then add half a cup of Greek yogurt. Pour in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the ingredients together well for a smooth mixture. Take 4 slices of brioche bread and use the back of a spoon to create an indent in the center. Go over it a few times to make sure it doesn't rise. Spread about 4 tablespoons of yogurt mixture into each slice of bread. Place a mixture of berries on top, the quantities to your liking. With the help of a spatula, place the brioche bread into the air fryer. You can air fry 2 at a time. Air fry at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes, or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's finished, remove and plate with a wooden spatula. You can serve with a side of additional fresh berries. Drizzle some maple syrup on, and dust it with icing sugar. This treat is easy to make, tastes amazing, and is filling for any time of day. It's crunchy, sweet, and perfect to fulfill your cravings. Try it for next time.